What's up, guys? A lot of people asked me about the article I wrote a few months ago and about the Samsung DeX and if it's really capable of replacing your computer in order to work with web applications such as Figma and stuff like this. So this is the Samsung DeX that I'm working with. As you can see, it's a docking station. It's suitable for any Samsung Galaxy device starting from Galaxy 8, 9 and 10, and obviously I believe that most of the devices in the future will support it. Anyways, they've got also a DeX pad, which is another device, but I prefer this one because it's sort of, you can easily take it with you and hook up to any large display with the HDMI cable. It also has two USB 2 ports and RJ45 for internet connection. Okay, so basically it's equipped with internal fan, and it will keep your device cool in case you are a gamer. And now let's see if it's capable of replacing your MacBook Pro or any other laptop you have and you are carrying with you. If you don't have a DeX station, you can actually use this HDMI to USB Type-C connection, but you won't be able to use the keyboard unless you've got some sort of Bluetooth keyboard, because my particular keyboard uses dongle that goes into the DeX station, and it actually allows me to control the device with mouse and keyboard. Okay, so my device is already in the DeX station, and as you can see, we've got Samsung DeX desktop mode, which resembles Windows 10 or maybe other versions of Windows and Linux. And we've got sort of dock section with the applications I've pinned here, and there is some bunch of other things that are, designed like Windows, your clock, Finder, volume, Wi-Fi control and stuff like this. And on the left hand side you will find the application section, which is just like Windows on tablet mode, and most of my applications are here, and you can use most of them in DeX mode. So for example, if I go ahead and open up my file manager, you will see that it's kinda resemble what you see on Windows, and you can actually resize it and stuff like this. You can go to folders and copy files and stuff like this. Obviously other applications from your Android phone will work just as they work on your device. Okay, so back to our business, which is going to Chrome, and as you can see, even if I don't press Chrome on the Chrome application, I've got Figma pinned to my desktop, which means that I can actually launch this application without launching Chrome. But I prefer to work with Chrome because I can obviously surf the web and do other things that I do. Okay, so back to this article I just published a few months ago. Now you can see it in action, because most of my friends and colleagues actually asked me about, is it really possible to work with Figma on DeX? So yeah, basically, as you can see, it's Figma running on Chrome within DeX station on my Galaxy Note 9, and as you can see, it's pretty responsive, I'd say. And that's it.